Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń record òkú olókù, òkú àwọn èèyàn. What joy do you guys derive in picking up your phone? Picking up your phone, you understand? Recording a lifeless body of someone that is not your relative. And at the end of it, showing your own face. What do you want to trend for? Kini content trend for? Is it for people to confirm that, oh, you were there? Is it for... I don't understand. It is very, very annoying when I see it. It's always very annoying to me. What joy do you derive in trending such pictures or videos? What gives you joy in doing that? It's so annoying. Just because you are privileged to be where the lifeless body is, the next thing you do is carry that to your stupid plaza phone and record. And record a lifeless body, a vulnerable person at that moment. Do you think the family members would be happy seeing their the lifeless body of their person trending on social media? Don't you have respect? Don't you, if you do not have respect for yourself, don't you have respect for that lifeless body?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin yìí tí mo wá mọ̀ sí DASILVA tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí látàrí àwọn tí ó ń gbé fídíò ẹni tí ó ti kú tí wọ́n ń gbé kiri. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ni ohun tí ẹ rí láti sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ sọ tán nínú fídíò yìí? Ohun tí ẹ bá ní láti sọ, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ tẹ̀ sí comment section òkè àlè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀.
Or for the relative of the person. Àwọn fóònù orí burúkú yín, fóònù òṣì, fóònù wèrè.